Hey, look at this. Welcome to Trying Harder. Look at this. I'm Guido, and today, it doesn't look like much, but I have a Samsung Galaxy Book5 Pro. I think they need to work on their boxing. But today, we're gonna unbox this and check it out. But first, I have to thank Best Buy and Samsung for giving me this product to review. Now, let's dive in. I don't know if this is just like the box. I'm hoping there's a box within the box, but I don't think there is. Do a little pull tab, find out. Got the tiniest verbiage here for you. So like I said, it's gonna be a Galaxy Book5 Pro. OS right now is gonna be Windows 11 Home. It has an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with 16 gig. I mean, if you can't tell, it's gonna be a 16-inch AMOLED. Wow! Touch has 16 gigs of shared memory. Nice. 1 terabyte of SSD. Man, I remember when less than a gig was expensive. And that's about it with the quick specs. Let's get into this fanciness. Yoink. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank God there's a better box. Let's go ahead and yeet this. Here we go. It feels very Apple with the simplicity, but hello, Samsung. Samsung Book5 Pro. Look at it. This is awesome. I'm excited to try this thing out. There's still not much to go on here. They don't really bells and whistles in your face. Let's break a couple more seals. A little zip and a little zap. Here we go. Get you some of that. So we got a laptop. Oh, this little guy. That's kind of cute. Super fast charge wall wart. Thank you, Samsung. USB-C. Just right out the gate there. And then, woo, doggy. Got a laptop all wrapped up like a burrito. Got the charging cable. 2 USB-Cs on each end. Behind that, little secret pouch. Shh. It's those warranties and quick start they don't want you to know about. Really not much here. Plug it in, power it on. That's it. See ya. Just kidding. Let's check this bad boy out. Let's unwrap this burrito. Really, a paper envelope. I'm kind of surprised that this thing just has a simple little wall wart to charge it. It's supposed to be really good for content creating. Got a lot of AI in it. I would expect it to need a lot more power. Very simple Samsung logo. Not much on the back. Not sure if this is a speaker or if it's just cooling, fan maybe. Definitely have some speakers right here. Pretty light, pretty decent size. Let's pop this clam open. Protection. Woo! Look at that! That's a nice looking little laptop. This monster of a mouse pad. Holy cow. Look at that guy. So like I said, Intel Ultra 7 and then the dynamic AMOLED 2 times. Not sure what that means, but Samsung is known to make very vibrant, bright screens. So really looking forward to that. And then whatever this Intel Arc graphics. It's not a gaming PC, but they want you to do content creating with it. So it's gotta have a little bit of power to it. Let's see. It goes that far open. Very thin screen. Like I said, touch, but you're not gonna be able to like easily draw on this. What kind of ports we got? So nothing on the back, since it opens like that. We got, I presume, a headphone jack, USB, and then memory card slot. And on the other side, we got HDMI and 2 powered USBs. Then one of these is gonna be a charging port. I'm on the fence to know what to think about this. I wanted this to replace my Alienware that I've been using to edit these lovely videos for all you lovely people. But I'm wondering if this has the horsepower to do it or not, because that Alienware is a hoss. I've never had a Samsung laptop book, so I guess we'll see. So unfortunately, that's all I got. This is just an unboxing video. They didn't give me a lot to work with. I know first off, I'm gonna say, this is the smallest laptop keyboard I've seen. It's a full keyboard, yet a numpad right here, but it's just so tiny, and it's the biggest mouse pad I've ever seen. I don't know if they expect you to draw in this or what the heck. I'm gonna go dive into this, give it a little review, just right not meow. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. While I'm in the middle of reviewing this, throw any comments you have about this. Let me know what you want to know. This is AI powered. That's new for me. I don't have an AI powered laptop, so this CPU should have a little extra horsepower in the AI realm. I just feel like I remember something about Skynet and bad things about AI, but I'm sure it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. And I guess for this one, you know, Samsung, when it comes to packaging and advertising your product on said packaging, Try trying harder.